Hey guys, Sara Glupker here, and if you are familiar with me and my videos with the girls in the Cherry Tree Art Studio, I'm back, and it looks like we have made a mess here, and Sydney and Allie taught me how to make slime for the first time, and of course, typical kid fashion, they made this huge mess and left. And when they left, they said they wanted me to see if I actually learned something today and learn how to make slime. So Sydney and Allie both gave me specific requests on what kind of slime they want me to make for them. And I'm gonna see if I can remember how to do it and all of the steps and all of the things. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I actually remember how to make slime. So here we go. If you didn't see the video from last week where we made slime and we tested out this fruity slime kit, go check it out. And if you have already seen it, watch me try to make slime without my kids and see if it's actually fun without kids. So wish me luck. I'll check you later. Oh, they're so cute. They're really cute. They would be really cool for resin. You poured resin over them. Pineapple. We're gonna add some pineapple scent for funsies. Oh yeah, and maybe a little bit more activator. Okay, I think this is what Sydney ordered. It's a basic slime with a clear slime with fruity shapes. And then she wanted me to put a bigger charm on the top. Look how cool this is though. I know some of you think that looks disgusting, and some of you think this looks really satisfying. It's really fun. So much fun. Okay, so the fruity shapes, I'm gonna put it in this little cute container that came with the kit. See it? No glitter. I love it so much. Be like, keep your hands off my slime, girls. Okay, now I'm gonna put a charm. What charm do you think I should put on there? I'm gonna have to go for the cherry, because you know, Cherry Tree Art Studio. Oh, that's adorable. That would make the cutest little gift, wouldn't it? Like for a kid. Like here, I'm the cool aunt. Here's the cool slime. Okay, there you go. There's my first slime. They're going to come in here and judge me on how good I did. Okay, the second slime, Allie ordered up, and it's a little bit more complicated. I'm gonna use this bowl. I'm gonna start with a new bowl. Do not go and grab the nice bowl in your mom's kitchen. Okay, Allie wants me to start with clear glue. She wants a green slime. I don't want to use all of their glue. I feel bad. And then, something's on my hands and it's bugging me. Okay. She wanted me to turn it green to this apple green. Oh yeah. And she wanted me to make it apple scent. Whoa, I think I put too much in there. It's okay. Use my little spoon here. I kind of feel like I want more green. This green is not very dark. Oh man, I'm starting to really make a mess, you guys. If you guys know this, I'm a painter and I typically make paintings, and I don't like to get my hands messy. Like, I don't really like to get paint on my hands. It's like a weird thing about me. Fun fact. That's a fun color. Okay. Now, Allie requested I may use this magic foam soap that comes with the kit. I think it's like the foam hand soap that you buy at the store. I know my kids have definitely used it when they make slime. I don't know how much to put in. That looks good. Ew, that got something on me too. Ooh, okay, so the top's coming off. warning, slime is messy, okay? Ooh, I can smell the apple. It smells really, really good. Mix it up. It is frothy. It's like how you want your cappuccino for all you moms out there. It's like cappuccino foam. Can you see it? I think it's time to activate it. And then I think you add the glitter. I think you add the glitter last. Could be wrong. This is some activator left over. The kit actually does have a lot of activator. Like, it's a big bottle. I feel like it's a pretty good value for the activator. Then you get all these little bowls and stuff that you can use for later. Sticky. This part drives me insane. I'm not gonna lie. It's not for everybody. This is, like I described this in the first video. I don't know if Sydney's gonna edit it out, but in the first video, I talked about how when you make a painting, it's like the beginning of the painting is so exciting. And you're really excited because you have all your paints and your materials, and that's really exciting. And then when you work on the painting, there's this part called the messy middle. And the messy middle is when you don't like the painting and it looks like, it's like when your hands are getting sticky with this slime. It's just a very agitating phase. And then at the end, this is kind of like the end, where the slime kind of all comes together. Now, I think I overactivated this. Look at, it's not stretching, it's snapping. So, I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit more glue. Whoops-a-daisy. These girls are gonna come in here and they're gonna tell me what's up. Can you bring it back after you overactivate it? It's pretty though. It's a pretty color. Allie wants green glitter. Maybe the glitter will make it better. Okay. Ooh, it's really pretty. It's very pretty slime. Maybe when I warm it up in my hands, it'll... Okay, I think the first slime, they're gonna like the first slime. The second slime is a little... I think I overactivated it. I got too excited. But I'm gonna put it in a little container for them to judge. They wanted me to use this pineapple, but I feel like it's so cute and this wouldn't even fill up the container. I didn't make enough. So I'm gonna put it in a little container that it came with. I'm gonna put a little pineapple charm on the top. It's like a cute little package. What do you think? It's adorable. They're gonna be just amazed at how cute my presentation is. That's the goal. Okay, so those are my two slimes, and I'm going to have the girls come out here and see what they think about my cutie little fruity slimes. And yeah, I think the kit's pretty great, but I do think it's gonna need more clear glue. And it comes with some, but then you don't have quite enough to fill all of the containers. Like, I think we're gonna run out of glue. So that's my only critique. All right, let's see what the girls think of my cool slime.
Okay, guys, we haven't seen the slimes yet because Mom's hidden them behind the table. But I'm excited to see what they are.
Yeah, me too.
So we gave her some suggestions before this, saying like kind of what kind of slime we'd like her to make, and we are gonna grade it just like we're her teachers.
Yes.
Because right now we're in school. She hasn't been in school in a while, so let's see how they are.
Who's first?
Me.
Allie.
Close your eyes. On the table.
Allie, you can open your eyes.
Okay.
So cute.
I love it.
Should we both grade it or just the person
The person who has it. Because we like that.
That charm is so cute in that slime.
Yeah, it's a little pineapple. And
Ooh, I love this slime. Is
so
it good? Can I feel
fun.
it? Ooh, that's nice. That's a nice slime.
Yeah. Okay, now it's Sydney's turn.
You should play with it. See what you think.
Okay.
Be critical.
Ooh, I think, did you use that foam soap? It has a good sizzle. I think if I'm being critical, I think maybe it's a little overactivated, but that's probably just because Mom's like new at this. But I would give you an A.
I'm giving you a 10 out of 10 because you're new to this.
What like
and-
grade is it?
Oh, A.
It's okay. You can be critical.
I would give you an A because of the activator thing, but I think you did way better than I would do at making a slime.
Now can we make you a slime?
Allie.
All right, Allie or Sid, you ready for your slime?
Okay. That's so cute! I love it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I can't wait to see this when it's like all clear. Maybe when I'm editing this, like in a few days, maybe I can like show it all clear. But that is so cute.
I did a lot of close-ups of that. You could see it.
It's like an I Spy.
Smells so good.
I love the little cherry charm and like the little pineapple fimos and all the different fruits. It's so cute. I would give this an A+. It's perfect. Allie, want to feel it?
Ooh, I love the nice like texture of it, of the fimos in it. And ooh, I love the cute little cherry in it. That's so cute. And other
She said
little
cute.
fimo slices.
How'd I do overall?
I think you did, overall, you did an A+. It's great.
Can we make you a slime?
You honestly did way better than I thought you would.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Can we make
That
you
was
a
fun.
slime?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.